This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. It has a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, dual zone climate control, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: dual power seats, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, a sliding rear window, and a trailer towing package. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Pacelli's Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 4020 Highway 264 West in Washington.